Today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own lip plumper. All you need is one simple ingredient. Before we make our lip plumper though, we first need to make the base. Now you could easily go on tkbtrading.com, purchase one of their lip gloss bases, or if you're like me, you ran into an issue and you don't have any lip gloss base. But that's okay, we can make our own. What I realize, most TKB gloss bases are made with an ingredient called hydrogenated polysubutane. I don't know how to say it, but it comes in like a gel form and a liquid form, and I have both. So I'm gonna use a combination of both of those. And then I also have an ingredient called jojoba gel, which on its own can essentially be used to make lip glosses that I got from makingcosmetics.com. Between blending all of those along with some other emollients, I can get a good gloss base, and then I'm gonna add in a flavor oil, and that's it. You can add color if you want. Make this just plain, no color. You can add pigment if you want. So let's mix everything together. This is super easy to make. So I've never tried this combo of additives. Now let's hope we have a good ratio of like liquid to gel ingredients to where it's not too sticky, but also not too thin. If you guys want this exact formula, you can head on over to my Patreon and the formula will be over there. You'll also have access to every single formula in this Vlogmas series, along with all of my exclusive videos I've ever posted on Patreon. So you get a whole bunch of content for only $5 a month. I think we got a good consistency. I didn't want to make too big of a batch because I'm making a product every day this month. So I want to make sure I don't run out of ingredients. That looks gorge. I think that's it. I have a lot of experience with Volip. I don't know if that's how you say it. This is the key ingredient to making a lip plumper. Essentially, you could add, whoa, it says it's typically used at 4 to 20%. Let me tell you from experience, do not use it at that high of amounts. It burns. Maybe it's just me and I'm like extremely sensitive to it, but I normally use it around 4%. Literally made my lips like really, really red the first time I used it. So make sure you use it at a safe amount. Okay, I'm gonna keep the bowl like angled on its side. That way all of the lip gloss kind of accumulates in one section. That way it's easier to suck it up with the syringe. Best way to fill your lip gloss tubes is using a syringe. Honestly, lip gloss tubes are a pain to fill. I hate doing it, but it's gotta be done. Now, when it comes to lip plumpers, I personally like a smaller doe foot because I have teeny tiny lips. And I do not want to get the lip plumper on my actual skin. So personally for me, lip plumpers just work best when they are a small doe foot. Although for lip glosses, I do prefer a bigger doe foot, even though I do have tiny lips. Use whatever packaging works best for you. I found these guys on Amazon and I thought they were super cute. You do want to try to avoid getting air bubbles. I'm not super experienced with lip gloss, so I know people out there have better tricks and tips. I'm just now realizing that this syringe is it's a little big for these guys, but it will work. I gotta be careful. Also, I'm realizing what's hard with these tubes is they aren't clear. So you can't really see when they're full. And you really don't want to fill up lip glosses too much because when you put in the applicator, it'll all spew out. So, but if I was like weighing, if I had it on a scale, like if I was selling the product and I was weighing each amount I was adding in, that would work. And these are super important. You want to make sure you put the stopper in the lip gloss tubes or it's not gonna work. If you've seen my previous video, you would have seen I got a whole bunch of charms so I can decorate my cosmetics. Oh, they were all color coordinated too. Look at the little candy. He is so cute. Cute. I don't feel like this is the right product for it. No, or pink. Let's do pink. Now, when gluing on these charms for your cosmetics, I've been using this B700 glue. That's just what I read on Reddit to use. It says to wear a mask. I didn't read that on Reddit. I just read that on the glue bottles. So make sure you're being safe. And it says not to get this glue on your skin, even though I've already gotten it on my skin. I hate working with tiny things. Perfect. So cute. Okay, I think I made the right choice. That's adorable. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. I was just busy admiring my big lips. It's like somebody just got lip injections. So would there be anything I change about this formula? No. I actually really like it. This is the first time I have created a lip gloss base on my own that I'm a huge fan of. And I think I used just the right amount of lip plumper to where it doesn't burn me. And I don't know why I said and, I have nothing else to say. I'm a huge fan of it. Oh, also the decals, if you didn't see my last video, these decals stick on so well. Or not decals, charms. So if you want to order charms off of Amazon, you need to get the B700 glue, wear a mask, wear gloves when you apply on the charms. And these stay so well. This is what I made in my last video, my Laneige lip mask dupe. These charms don't come off. So I'm gonna have so much fun bedazzling all these lip plumpers. So if you guys wanna make sure you don't miss out on any of my Vlogmas episodes, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and enjoy.
Also, don't forget to go over and check out my Patreon, where I post 2 exclusive videos every single month. So there is a ton of videos you can go over and binge watch for only $5 a month. Also, if you don't have access to Patreon in your country, you can sign up as a YouTube member instead. If you sign up for the $10 tier on my Patreon, you get a shout out for your small business. I'll have all these brands linked below. naturesmagicllc.com. From Dusk Soapery on Etsy, LloydCandleCompany.com, HB Royal Retreat Store on Etsy, NaturesFarmGirl.com, Let's Blend LLC, at Stardust Bath and Body, HempyGirl.com, ShopLevi's.com, Owl and Lily over on Etsy, Skin Lounge Co. over on Etsy, BlackPetalBeauty.com, EmbraceBeautyEssentials.com, LegendaryBathAndBody.com, AstariApothecary.com, Reviga Cosmetics here on YouTube, XoreBB.com, PardoNaturals.com, NaturalStateSkin.com, TheNatureInUs.ca, NearCatalier.com. Use the code on the screen for 20% off. EarthAndAmberNaturals.com, SharkCityNaturals.com, DayToRelaxProducts.com, CrownedGloryLLC.com, LH Scented Soaps and More.com, JanaeRose.com, Health Nut Beauty on Etsy, VelvetTemptations.com, JourneyRoseBeauty.com, CHRBrands.com, Homestead Life Goods on Etsy, CanellaBathandBody.com, MadhouseMamaSoaps.com, Expo.com, Mystical Morning on Etsy, 7th House and Oak on Etsy, and MyCrownandGlory.com. Thank you so much for you guys' support. Without you guys over on Patreon, I wouldn't be able to do what I do. So thank you so much.